Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. Come again.
So you pop it in like that.
Bam.
What's poppin', everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lisa, aka Style in Nature, and I'm back with another video. Now today I'm doing a collaboration with Unicoeye. I hope I'm not butchering your name. They reached out to me. They gave me 3 pairs of contacts. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, I really have been stalling on this video because although I used to know how to put contacts in like this, I don't know what happened after that. Like, it's been like a year or 2 since I put contacts in. I don't know, I'm having some technical difficulties with these contacts, so it's probably gonna take me a minute to pop these in. Okay, now these are the 3 that they gave me. Brown Infinity, Rio Ortree, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and Canna Green. I like to get natural colors. You know, like, it's like getting dressed up. It's kind of like changing your look just a tad bit. They do give you these little containers. And in the inside, it has a mirror. It's a little dirty. A contact holder. Some little tweezer things you can, it's not tweezers, but they have like a soft tip and you can pull them out. I can't ever use this right, so I really don't use it, but they did include it, and a little suction little thing. And you're supposed to let them sit in the contact solution for at least 24 hours before you actually wear them. Okay, now that took me like 5 minutes to pop it in, but I finally did get it in. I have something on it a little bit, so I'm gonna have to hurry up and take this out. But that's what it looks like with one on. Very pretty, very natural. I really love it. It's hard to put on contacts with lashes and makeup. Well, it is for me. Canna Green and regular dark brown eyes. Let me turn the light off. My crazy self was about to ask for 5 pair of contacts. Woo. This is just the first pair and I'm crying. Well, I ain't crying, but my eyes watering like hell. Tell me what you think about this first pair. Now let's go on to the next one. Okay, now this is Brown Infinity. I did pop it in a little faster. My eyes are turning red because they're getting irritated from me trying to poke myself in the eyes, but I really like these. These are really natural. I'm about to pop on the other one. Now I'm about to try to attempt to pop it on camera. Now, wish me luck. And now step 1 is you need a mirror. So I take my mirror, I hold it down, not up. I hold it down. I look down. I can't do it on camera. Let me see. I'm trying to hold my eyelid up and my bottom down because I move my eye around. So you pop it in like that.
Bam. Your girl did that.
I can't believe I popped it in that easy. You can't tell me these ain't mine either. You can't. I was born with this. I woke up like this. Okay, now wait a minute. I can't take them off. Like, I love these Brown Infinities. I really like it. Comment down below and tell me if you like it or not. Because I think these is going to be my favorite ones. It's giving hazel. And they are super comfortable. They're more comfortable than the Canna Green so far. Y'all want to see me take them off? This is how you take them off. You literally go down. Ooh. Uh-oh. All right, there we go. And you put them in new solution every time. Okay, now these are the Rio Outro. What is it? Rio Outree.
You want. What the fuck are you talking about?
I don't know if I'm saying it right, but they kind of look grayish. It look like an outer rim. The outer rim looks like it's grayish, and then in the inside it looks like a lighter brown. See that? Super pretty. I got makeup on my shirt.
Yeah, it look gray. They kind of look real. I'm all up in y'all face on this camera. That's my dark brown eye and gray. I remember when I was younger, I could not touch my eyeball for nothing in this world. I could not. I don't know why I agreed to this video, but I think this will be my last contact video. Yeah, unless I'm getting paid. Yeah, and they are comfortable. They're more comfortable than the eyelashes, to tell you the truth. The first one, I don't know, maybe I had something in them, but they were not comfortable as the other two. I think I had maybe probably a little makeup on for me messing around and, you know, grabbing my eye and probably touching my eyeshadow and stuff. So it probably was some of that on there. So I'm definitely gonna have to put some eye drops in. Now, thank you, Unicoeye, for these beautiful contacts. I most definitely am gonna try to wear some of these. I didn't struggle that bad. It took me about 5 minutes for the first pair, and the other pair I kind of popped in within 2 minutes. So that's pretty good for somebody that's not used to it. I hope you beginners out there like myself pretty much can, you know, grasp it. It's just you have to not be afraid to touch your eyeball. That's all it is. In and pull it out, because sometimes you're afraid to take it out because you like poking at your eye pretty much. You gotta grab it pretty much. But try the tweezers to get them out. You know, don't poke yourself in the eyeball and say, I told you to do it, because I most definitely did not. But try your best to get them out fast as possible. You want to pretty much go like this. Bam. 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 And we did that within 2 seconds. Please use my discount code. If I do have one, I will provide it on the screen and in the description box with all the links of every contact that I picked. They have plenty of other colors and styles. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I am Style Nature, and I will be back with another video. Bye.